So not every report should be trusted. So let's mark what's official and endorsed by your organization in Power BI. Check this out. All right, folks, so we're back in Power BI service. So today we're going to talk about what does it mean to certify your report versus promote. And there are two very different meanings, and I'm going to show you how to get to it first, and then talk about what they mean and how they can be employed within your workforce. So the first thing you want to do is navigate to Power BI service. So we're going to click on our workspace we have here, which is Nexion Analytics. And then I'm going to go ahead and go to the report. So I want to click on the three dots, click on settings. And then as you scroll down, we're going to see endorsement come up. So endorsement is what we're going to talk about. This is a section of where you can have reports be promoted or certified. Now, just to put it simply, promoting a dashboard signals to your team or organization that the dashboard is valuable, reliable, and worthy of reuse, but not yet officially validated by data governance or leadership. So that's important, right? Because that means, hey, me as a user, I developed this, I employed it, I shared it, and people are utilizing it because I promoted the product, but does not mean a governing body said, hey, this is a source of truth. This is what everybody should be going off of. So just keep that in mind, because promoted only means that, hey, I just want to advertise this product more, and I'm proclaiming as a user that, hey, it's solid. Whereas certifying is a dashboard, formal endorsement by your organization's data governance or BI leadership that the dashboard is fully trustworthy and is aligned with official data definition and rules. Now, with that said, you can select either one that you want based upon how your organization operates. But once you select it, it's going to allow you to feature it on home, which means that everybody that's in your organization, if you set the application to be organizational, is going to be visible to them. Now, if you select promoted, we're going to go ahead and just save that real quick, and I'll show you what that looks like. And now you can see an endorsement icon where it shows promoted. Whereas if I went back and I selected certified, I can select save, and now it's certified. But the best thing to do is probably just use promote for the time being until your organization really defines how you can certify a report. Promote still has a lot of great traction that it builds because it allows great visibility on the product, but doesn't mean it's certified yet. So there's a data architectural backbone that's tied to every single product that you build to. And that's probably what needs to be certified as you're building an application, right? Because anybody can curate and transform data, but is it the source of truth? And what did you do? And that's the forensic analysis that probably has to be conducted as the organization looks to certify that application. With that said, hopefully this video is able to help you out, folks. Let me know your thoughts down below, and thanks for watching.